something wrong, I just wasted fucking whatever the, you know what I'm saying?
If you just go up there.
Alright, so fairing time. I'm gonna start with the tail first and then go this way after, because there's just a lot going on this way. So start with this first. Alright, so the easy, I never broke a bike down of this year, R1. So the best way to do this shit, I'm recording too while I'm talking.
I know.
The best to do this shit is when you take a screw out, put the fucking screw back.
Right back in.
That'd be the best way to do this shit. That fairing shouldn't even come off that easy, which means shit is broken under there. I'm mad I ain't charged that GoPro, son.
Why don't you bring the charger down here?
I can't charge it while I'm using it. So I'm going to record as much as I can. Like I said, put the bolts back. So when it's time to put new fairings on or whatever, you know where that should go. Alright, so gonna unclip this. Okay, I see the hook. Push this up. Can I use my hand to do it? Oh shit, I can. Oh, I gotta undo this. Alright, let me figure this out. And I'll come back to y'all. Alright, so we got it off. Just had to unclip the little shit there. Alright, what else? I could take this off. Alright. Who, Mr. O? Yo, O, when you watching this video, I gotta call you back, bro. Well, look at that. I was just watching the video like, motherfucker. I saw when I was calling you, ain't answer. So this shit fucking broke off. Yeah. Once again, like I said, when y'all do these, any screw or push pin, just push it back in so you know where it should go. All right, so apparently, oh, this is not gonna be fun, because looking at this, I don't know what that is. Something fell. I gotta loosen the exhaust, and then I should be able to pull it free. So let's test that theory. Hold on. I get this little fucking piece out right here. So it looked like once we drop the exhaust on both sides, it should be able to just slide out. So let's check this theory real quick. Yo, I haven't done one of them rebuilds since my bike that was stolen, I got it back. And I had to build the whole shit back. That was hella years ago, son. So I look forward to doing this shit. I look like there's something else holding on to that shit. Alright, let me furthermore examine this. Oh, so the tail light gotta come off because it's thinking that, yeah. Back this out. Both sides here. Alright, that should free it up, hopefully. Tail light is free. Yep. I'm gonna lose this shit here. So the trick is once you fucking pull this shit off, just push it back so it's easy for you to figure it out. Got whatever just fell?
Got it.
Alright. Boom. Alright, so I'm gonna tighten this back up, put all the bolts back, and then take it from there. Alright. Come with this already. Yeah.
Oh.
So this piece come already with it. The tank gonna have to get, it's gonna have to get painted if it doesn't match match the rest.
Gotcha. So I know what he thought. Oh, you got mad with God damn. This thing is gonna replace whatever was damaged.
I got the whole new set, yeah.
Yeah, that's not fun. Oh, let's do this stuff over to them.
I don't know why they would put Phillips right here. See, now that's where shit get broken. It's probably just like,
I think it snaps in. You see it?
I don't know why it's taking a whole tank though. That's separated. So look, when you shake the whole thing,
Put the light in there. Let me see. This is snapping.
Oh, sure it was on. Oh, push it forward. Damn. All right. Keep all them shits together. All right. All right. So once again, put the fucking screws back. I'll put this one up on. All right. Let's get started up here. Oh, more Phillips. Okay, it's probably just 2 Phillips holding this, and this piece come off. Back out this one. Just screw here. It's Phillips.
Yeah.
Take that one out. Yeah. See, we got this whole bottom piece broke. I don't know how the hell we gonna get to that shit. This whole thing gotta come off. See this shit? I told him to put a fucking big bolt through the shit with a big washer and just grip it like that, cause whew, look at this one. Should come off now. Unless this one will push it through. Now when I look up here, let me see something. Alright.
You trying to take this off?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You start taking the tank.
Then come with another piece like this. It gotta be like pushed on or some shit. Alright, we're gonna figure this part out and get back to y'all now. Alright, so to take this piece off, you got the 2 sides and you got 2 under here. This is 8. Yo, his airbox probably mad dirty. I don't think it was ever clean.
What, his shit?
Yeah.
I think he would have cleaned it.
Oh, Gary, you ain't clean
He
that
ain't clean
shit.
this shit, right? You probably
Nah.
right.
Alright, so once again, let's put the screws back. Oh, it goes in the back of this. Oh, it goes in here. Nah. So I'm gonna just push it through and tape it like I did the last one. Alright, come back. Put all the screws back. You sit it over there. Put the screws in so we know where to put it. We're putting it back. So next is I'm gonna tackle this shit. This whole fairing. And then see. So all this backing out screws. He got some good fairings in here. So I guess he'll be able to like sell that shit. Hopefully they're all the same size. I forgot I put it on the stand. You know what? Alright, so we're gonna just go all those bolts you see out, we're gonna back those out. Alright, come back. So we got the first piece out. And these are the expensive ones right here. Carbon fiber. Got another piece. This one's banged up though. Okay, I guess that piece stay there. It's gonna be interesting up here. For the fairing joints, look, sit them here. Look. According to this one, actually, we back all the screws out. Fuck it. Yami got them quick snap shits. Actually, you know what? We don't even need to back that out. It's down here. Alright, this one right here. There's another one right here. Okay. I should have gotta back this shit out. Damn. There's some fucking quick snaps. It's the quick snaps. See, some of them come out. That's how they look.
Yeah, I know.
Some of them fucking fighting. Actually, oh, I can take it off without it.
Yeah, let's just lose. That's it.
Oh shit, no it is turn signal. Alright, let me get the little wrench again. Whoa. Oh, I just put a hole in my sweatpants. I'm mad as hell, son.
Oh, Doug you?
Hmm?
These just popped out.
Alright. Well, that definitely helped taking the fairing off. I just didn't appreciate the hole in my shit. Oh, it goes the other way. Okay, so this can go back on. This can stay on. We gotta disconnect the turn signal from the wiring. Because when it pushes out, it doesn't come, it comes out this way, not from the inside. The problem is, where the fudge? That's it right here. Was just a negative and a positive?
You don't want to disconnect it from right here?
Nah, when you pull it out, the light come out this way. Versus in the back. Yeah. So you know what? I think I might just snip that shit. Before I snip it. See, it's somewhere up in here. Nah, I'm gonna just snip it. And just connect the back. Usually you look negative, positive. Yeah.
Right.
That's it. Just connect the back, tape that shit up. Alright, let me come back to y'all. Same thing for the other side. We'll just connect the back. Well, I'm gonna prep the wire first, so it's easy to get to. Looks like one of the best tools I ever bought. Look at that. Boom. I'm gonna prep this side too. Yeah, prep this up. That nose front fairing. Alright. You gotta figure out how this is.
This shit right here. How you pull this shit? Just pulled it off?
Oh, pulled it up? Shit hurt my fucking hand.
Yeah, so I won't do it. It look like that one feels still
What?
snug in.
This one was hard to come up. This one, there we go.
Oh.
Alright, we're gonna figure out the nose. The nose is interesting. Alright, give us a second. Boom. Alright. So he found Phillips right there. That's definitely one of them. There we go. You get it on this side. Shit. We'll go a little bit this way. That's it.
Good?
Fuck it. Make it work. Should be good. Oh, some more actually. Got the wash on the back. There we go. Okay. Making progress.
Let's see.
Alright, something else holding it down there.
Cause most likely the whole light assembly gotta come out. Oh shit, okay.
Let me see right here. From up top. Is it like, oh, push tabs? That's what it is. This piece gonna be a bitch to go back in. Okay. There's one that fell out. One that's still good?
Nah, it's not good.
One of them is good.
Oh, no, they both good. They both still good.
Both good?
Yeah.
What about that long piece?
I just gave it to you. You just took it.
This is supposed to be another one. I guess it might have fell before. See it? Okay. Alright, some of these gonna have to keep in there. Oh wait. There's another one somewhere missing. A lot of these shits ain't gonna fucking make it. Alright, let's see where the hell we at now. Damn, it's still mad tight right here.
It's connected to the headlight assembly.
There's another bolt there. Maybe this bolt? Look at this one. Think it's that one?
It could be.
Could be this?
Could be.
Could be, right? Alright, we're gonna try to figure this out. Give us a second again. Alright, so this shit up here is a motherfucker. See, this right here is loose, but it's fucking broken. This shit broken right there. So the goal is, well, we know what the goal is to get it off. We're gonna back these bolts out right here. There's 2 Phillips. What's with these Phillips? Why wouldn't you just use Allen head, son? Phillips, they strip. Where that shit at? Damn, I can't even get it from this angle. I'm gonna take that shit off the stand.
Yeah, it would be easier.
Put the kickstand down for me.
Want to drop this one down too?
Nah, you leave the back. Drop the kickstand for me.
Oh, it's the kickstand.
Alright, just put your hand on it just in case that bitch start falling. Alright, just in case. Alright, put the kickstand back up. Just in case it just started falling over. Alright.
Light? Good?
I think I got it. This is too much fucking work to get some fucking fairings off.
That's how my boys should do all the time.
Alright, fall on this side. You want a shorter one? I got a shorter one.
More than there.
Good?
Let me get the short one. I want to show this shit.
Oh, that shit moving. Look at that shit.
Drop off.
What else is it connecting to though?
Okay, I see right here. It snaps right here.
Oh, snap it? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. All right. That worked too. Oh, that's off. So what else is there? You know what? Now we'll be able to probably get the screw. What you think? Oh, could it be this? Nah, that's for the headlight.
That's for the headlight.
What about that screw at the bottom now?
You can reach it?
I think so. Where we got this one from again? Up here? Let me put these shits back in. Push it down a little bit for me.
Nah, that's the, what you call it? The screw. Oh, yeah. That's
it goes in there, right?
Yeah.
What's the little one? Is that the little screwdriver?
There you go.
I'm gonna be looking at these screws like, you know, when you pull shit apart, I see it. When you push it back, you got